Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I know I look crazy, but I'm going to show you how I style my hair from my curly crazy hair to this nice smooth salon kind of blowout look. I'm also going to be talking about some of the hair products. There's a new product that I've been using that I freaking love, and we'll get into that after I style it. I have many different hair tools, right? This is the hair tool that works the best for doing this look because my hair is pretty curly. And it doesn't even look as curly hair as it normally does. This is from Hot Tools. I reviewed this a couple of years ago. I tried the Revlon one and I think this one is better. I don't know how this would be on really long hair, but I know that on my medium length hair, it works really, really good. Okay, I just love this. I love this one. I only use it on the medium setting. Okay, so, and Rick, I know I have to, I just used it, so there's a little bit of hair. So you have the little settings here. This isn't going to be a review, but I'm just going to go over really quickly. Too high. Perfect. That's the setting that we wanted, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and take my hair. And clip it up. I just take like a section like that and clip it up. Look how dark my hair looks underneath. It must be from the sun. My hair changes color too. Look how like it all looks dark and then it's just weird. My hair is different. That's all I can say. Okay, so I like it on medium. I take it and I will start pulling it up like this. And this is one of the things that I love about this, okay? It feels so comfortable to hold. So I don't have to use a hairdryer and a brush. I just use this. And I just feel like I get a smoother look. I feel like it grips onto my hair better than my Dyson, okay? I love my Dyson, but I like this better, okay? I feel like I use my Dyson more as the hairdryer and then not the attachments as much. And I know some you might think, oh my God, that's a lot of money for a hairdryer. Yes, but it is so comfortable because it's just a wand. So you just blow dry it like this and it's so comfortable for me, okay, to use. One thing I want to tell you really quick before I keep drying my hair, do not use this on really wet hair. Do not use this on really wet hair. This is a styler. This isn't to dry your hair. You can use it on damp hair, yes, but soaking wet hair, your arm's going to get tired. The same applies if you are using a round brush and a hairdryer. You don't want to use that round brush on soaking wet hair. Your arm's going to be freaking tired. By the time you're done with the section, you're going to be like, I'm done. So you want to do it when it's dry or slightly damp. Okay, my hair it's dry. It's dry right now. So that's what you want to do. You're not going to dry it with this, okay? You're going to, not only is your arm going to get tired, but you're going to dry the hell out of your hair with something like this, okay? Because this is metal right here, so it gets hot. But I love this because I don't have to use a flat iron. So I'm holding it up. Let's talk about that. So I'm holding it up like this. The more you hold it up, the more you're going to be on base. Okay, that's what they say when you're doing rollers and you're in beauty school, because I'm a hairstylist. I don't work as one anymore. The more you over direct it, the more you're going to be on base. And when you do that, like I have wavy hair, so if I'm just going like this, I'm going to get those waves. And so when I'm pulling it up, I'm not going to have as much of the waves, number one. And number two, I'm going to get more volume. So if you're holding it down like this, you're going to get a much flatter, straighter look. If you're holding it up like this, the more you hold it up, the more body and volume you're going to get. See how I have that nice body and volume? That's because of the way that I'm drying it. So let's do the next section. See how quick and easy this is? Like, this is so easy to do. And it's comfortable to use. So again, medium. I'm going to put this. I have a mirror right here, so that's why I keep looking. I'm looking on my monitor. Just keep turning it. And then, there it is. And it's so easy to do the back with this too. I love it. Look how nice that is. See that? And you can see I've got a little bit of wave there. Okay. I'm going to go in. I'm going to do 2 more sections, I think. Let's take it. Clip. Turn it. Just keep doing it until I get it where I want it. Next section. So I'm going to hold it up. See how I'm holding it up? Trying to get it to as close to the top as I can. And keep turning it. And if that's not enough, then I go ahead and do it again. I'm going sitting lower so you could see better. That's it. That is it. I don't know what the back looks like. I'd have to be in my bathroom mirror to see if I have any waves, and I'd have to go over it a little bit more, but that is it. It's so easy, so I don't have to go over it with a flat iron, and I get so much more body in my hair. Okay, so let's talk about some of the products that I've been using that I freaking love. There's a product that I just started using. My hairstylist sells this, okay? If I can find a link, I will share it below. I know the last time I looked, because I shared this on TikTok, they were all out of stock on their official website. So if you can find it somewhere, okay? And it is called, it's by David, and it's the Orchid Oil Dual Therapy. That's what it's called, Dual Therapy. It says for curly or heavy damaged hair. This stuff is freaking amazing. Do you see my hair? Do you see how bouncy? Look at the movement. If you've been following me for a while, you've seen quite a journey with my hair. Look at my freaking hair. It's from this. I still use my Lola shampoo and my Lola conditioner. And there's some other Lola products. We'll talk about that. But when I want to wear my hair straight, this is what I do. Somebody asked me if you can use this if you want to let your hair go curly. Is it still nice? Yes, because it adds shine to my hair. Even if I wear it straight, I use this. So there's 2 pumps here. I'm not going to pump it out, okay? I pump 2 of this side and 2 of that side, and I put that on that side and do the same thing and put that on that side. That's how much my stylist told me that I should be using, so that's what I use. And by the way, this is my backup. I have another one because they cannot keep this in stock. It just keeps on flying off the shelves, okay? It has silicones in it, so we talked about that. Silicones you have to be really careful with. Silicones can build up on your hair. So then your conditioners and things don't penetrate. So you have to make sure you're detoxing. And I'm going to talk about that in a minute, but this stuff is amazing. Again, if you can get your hands on it, I highly recommend it. This is the detox shampoo that I use. I've been using this. I think I've been using this for about a year now. And look at how much I still have left because you only use this once a week. My nails look like crap right now, by the way. No judgment. And this is by Way. Is that how you spell it? Say it, Way. Is it? I think that's how you pronounce it. I love this because it makes sure that, like, so any silicones that are on my hair, this will take off, but it doesn't strip my hair so bad that it's like straw. Remember how dry my hair was when I was detoxing? Remember? My hair looked like a fuzzy broom, okay? So I use this once a week. Love it. It has apple cider vinegar in it too, which is really good for your hair. And then I'm still using these. Now, I don't use these every time I use this. I don't. Oh, I don't. Okay. I don't know what that was. I don't use these, like the Lola when I use this all the time. When I'm straightening my hair, which I've been wearing it more straight right now because we're in winter. Probably can't do this in the summer. I've been using this, okay? When I wear my hair curly, then I wear these. And this is the Perfecting Leave-In. And I still like that. Where's it at? And then the Glossing Detangling. So when my hair's curly, I prefer to wear those for that. And then sometimes, if it's really humid outside, sometimes I need a little something more, you know what I'm saying? So I might take a little bit of the finishing leave-in conditioner from Lola that I just showed you. And I'll use a little bit of their oil. Focus on that. Yeah. So I will use a little bit of this with it. I really like that. I know some of you guys said they use the Lola and it didn't work out for you. Jennifer Aniston has my hair type. She actually has natural curly hair, and then her hairstyle is sort of like this. So maybe it depends. Maybe maybe it just works that type of hair. I don't know, but I don't make any money on any of this. The only stuff I can use an affiliate link is for this. I don't make any money even on this. Like, I don't make anything. So if I put a link down there, there's no affiliate. If there is, I will tell you, but I don't think I can make anything on it, but I want to tell you guys, okay? And this is the other thing that I will use. Please excuse the packaging on this because it's under my sink and whatever, okay? But here, I'll take the lid off of it. It's from Paul Mitchell, and it's the Cloud Whip stuff. So I will use a little bit to back it up so you can see it. So I will use a little bit of this in my hair, very little, not too much. I'll put it in my hands and I'll just kind of start at the bottom and just kind of work it around if I feel like I'm getting some fuzzies, okay? But I'm telling you, that hair stuff is freaking amazing. But that is how I've been styling my hair lately. This is what I've been doing. I'm enjoying it. I love wearing my hair down. I would wear it down even the summertime, but when it's humid here, sometimes it's hard because it's just like my hair just wants to go curly. But I'm inside the house right now, so look how nice it is. I love it. So that hair dryer is fabulous. Would recommend this over the Revlon. I reviewed both of these, and this one to me is so much nicer. It doesn't, the other one is a lot louder. I feel like it was a little too hot for my hair. Like this is enough that it styles my hair, but it's not overheating it. And only use it on the medium setting. I can't stress that enough. Because this is metal, you don't want to end up frying your hair. I've been using this, and look how nice my hair looks. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what your favorite hair products are, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.